Hi, I'm John Amato from Autel. We're coming into the fall season here in the Northeast. You know what that means. It's time to begin the sales and service of winter tires. Autel MX sensors are the ideal solution for equipping a second set of tires for winter driving. Autel's MX Sensor 1 sensor offers coverage for 99% of the vehicle market, making it the perfect choice for technicians and shop owners. We're the only company that designs, engineers, and manufactures TPMS tools and sensors. We independently test and verify each vehicle application for superior reliability. Trust the leader in automotive diagnostics to offer the best TPMS tools and sensors available. See the links in the description below for additional videos about winter tire installation and service procedures. For more information about Autel TPMS tools and sensors, contact your local Autel dealer or visit us at autel.com. We'll see you next time.